Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you a drop of this oil is priceless. It gets you rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it removes wrinkles and fine lines naturally. It's like Botox, and it fills the wrinkles and the fine lines literally overnight. You will notice a great results, my friends, with very simple ingredients at home. This magical remedy gets you rid of fine lines and wrinkles and will get you baby looking skin with very simple ingredients. If you are over 60 years old and you want to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, this magical remedy is for you. It will get you an amazing results with very simple ingredients at home. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy, you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. To prepare this magical remedy, my friends, the first ingredient we need is daisy flowers. And daisy flowers is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. It contains a lot of nutrients, and it's super effective in getting rid of the fine lines, the deep lines, and it's amazingly effective. Now my friends, we need to add on it hot boiling water. Add around 20 ml of hot boiling water. Mix very well until you find the water color got changed. Now my friends, we need to strain it. Teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch, one of the ingredients that is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally. It fills the skin even if you didn't boil it on the stove, if you used it as it is like so. Now my friends, we need a soap bar, and we need to shred the soap. We need around 3 teaspoons of soap bar. After shredding the soap, add around 3 teaspoons of soap. Now mix very well the ingredients. After mixing well and combining all the ingredients together, we need to store it. Now how to use it? Apply it on your skin like that. And leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash it with lukewarm water, and then my friends, apply your skin moisturizer, and you will be amazed with the result. It removes the wrinkles and the fine lines from first use, and it's super effective. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.